This is called Create a Treat. They include 8-piece cookie kit.
Cookie key! And you can decorate your own gingerbread man.
And Canada. 2 icings here and extra icing. These little decorations.
Let's go! What is the red? I like red. Wait, I need a nose. Look, nose. I found it.
Those are cute.
That one looks really cute in the top.
And the blue one. Yeah, I like that one too. They all look cute. A little girl.
Mommy,
예쁘다.
is it done now?
You think so?
Yes.
Okay.
I think mine is done.
Let me see. This is Arini's first gingerbread cookie.
And I
What is
like,
your name? Ginger Pinky?
Yes.
Ginger Pinky.
Another plate. Can I have this one, Mommy?
Yep, and this is Tony's first gingerbread man.
And if there's footy.
Goodie.
Where's